Okay, hello. How are you? I will just do this live so that I can show you. So I was supposed to do this video like many hours ago, but I had a problem with the way I was handling restarts. So because I was testing all the features just to make sure that everything was okay, like everything was solid and reliable. So that's why what I was doing. But I ended up having like more issues than expected. But I think now everything is good. I'm like downloading the firmware on the ESP. So this is I'm doing it live. After I've done this, I will open the serial monitor so we can see what the board is actually doing. Okay, let's go. Okay, it will start using this AP mode. As always, I need to set up like to connect to the Wi-Fi to set up everything. Fade. Oh boy, I was not showing the right screen. Anyway, so let me go back to this screen. So, and you can see the thing is already connected. It is already connected, so I can see here there is nothing. So I will load some configuration as I did before. After I load this, I will just save it. After saving it, saving was successful. In the other side, it is actually restarting. Let me put it there. It is restarting. After it restart, I will connect again. I will connect again to the Wi-Fi. Let me go back to this. I will connect again. Just a second. Okay, I will connect again. If I check, as always, I have all the 9 configuration I just added. And you can see here, I have like the feedback of what I'm doing. So let me go to the relay. Here as well, I will load some configuration. After loading it, I can save it. Configuration saved. I can cut to show you what is happening here. It's restarted. Same again. When restarting, to I need to connect again. Sorry, sometimes I'm like forgetting exactly where is my. Okay, I'm connected again. So let's go back here. If I restart the page and I go relays, okay, this was the configuration I just saved. Configuration I just saved. And for the weather sensor, I can put, I don't know, let me don't not do like something really crazy here. Just how it's called. I do this and save. Same thing. On the other side, it will restart. It needs to restart actually. But anyway, you won't notice that when working with the thing. We will just see it disconnect for a brief moment and that's it. Let me also the main reason why I'm still restarting when I every time I'm saving things is because I'm using an how it's called a board, a development board. If I add if I was using another like the custom board, I will optimize it for this process. So I have everything, something else here, like some stuff I can configure, like the. Oh, I need to set up the Wi-Fi. Wait. So you set up the Wi-Fi. For okay, for this I want you to look here, because it will be done here. Save. Okay. It will restart now. Normally, if you see here, I have thank you and it is connecting. You see here, if you look closely here, it is connected and it is looking for the MQTT to be connected to the MQTT to publish the sensor configuration. So that's exactly what it is doing. It is trying to connect to the MQTT settings, uh, but it can't actually. So, oh, another thing I wanted to show you. So the how it called the configuration tool set sensor ID. Oh, before entering this, I can't enter this because the sensor it is not in AP mode. It is not in AP mode. So I need to put the thing on AP mode. And how I do that, I have a button. I just hold it. When I hold that button, okay, it will restart. When restarting, I will hold it again. Restarting, it will wait. And when I press there, I'm back to the AP mode. I'm back to the AP mode again, connecting, and let me see. Okay, ready. So you see here, I can set the baud rate depending on the type of sensor you want to assign in ID or something. You just have to choose one, and then if you connect maybe let's say a leaf sensor, connect a leaf sensor, and you press scan device. When I press scan device, what it will do is it will scan for the leaf sensor on your RS485 and then give you back its ID. And when it gets its ID, you can put it just to make sure there is something on the line actually. You can like change the baud rate to this. Let me change it. The device will restart because this is a, like an important parameter. I will restart again and hold the key. Otherwise, it won't enter the. Oh God! I'm not on the right screen. Boy. Okay, let me go back. Uh, this, this is the second time I'm doing this mistake. Okay, let me restart the page. Okay, I'm connected. So this is what I was saying. So here, you have this UI. So let's say you want to, as I was saying, set the not the baud rate, but like to assign an ID to a sensor. If it's a leaf sensor, you select leaf sensor and then you click scan device. When you scan, you click this, it will scan for the ID, look for the ID of the leaf sensor connected to your line. If it gives back 0, it means that nothing is connected there. There is nothing because the start address is always 1. Okay. But once you have something, actually a 1 here, it means that it have detected successfully detected the sensor. Not you can like set the ID and then press maybe let's say 21 and set the ID. ID set successfully. After you have done that, you can scan again to see if you have back the 21 you set here, just to confirm. That was the thing. And also you have this, you can set the baud rate. As I was saying, if I click set the baud rate, it will like set the baud rate and restart the device. Okay. After the device is restarted, I need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, it is connected. Let me let me do this. Let me go back and restart the page just to make sure. When I go here, you will see the both rates is now the one I set before. So it have changed the baud rate depending on the sensor you are using. So far this is what your thing is about. So eh, device setting. Okay, here I don't know. You can mess around with parameters as you wish actually. So there is nothing much to say here. There's nothing much to say here. So I can say that the code is done and yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think. I will send you this. Yeah, this video via email. But at the same time, let me just, I think I need to add like a restart button or something. But anyway, let's a restart button that will allow me just to restart the device from here. Okay, now the device will restart. So if I go back here, it will restart, but in a Wi-Fi mode. It will try to connect to my Wi-Fi. So it is connected to my Wi-Fi now, trying to connect to the MQTT to publish sensor configuration and everything else. So basically, I'm done. It took longer than expected, but yeah, it is working. I don't know if I can zoom in this to show you what it is actually saying. But anyway, this code is available on the how it's called, what this thing is called. I forgot. GitHub. I sent you the link. You just have to clone the repository on the VS Code, and that's it. You have the code exactly as it is in my desktop right now, and all the configuration already done. So for the development board, not for the final board, because for the final board you will need like more feature to set. But I will do it. I will optimize it for the thing for the that board. I will do it. Okay, that's great. Actually, let me show you this. So you have this file called configuration. All the pin set of the system are here. So in the case where you need to test this code, like to test the code when you are not using it, like the board already built, you can go here and then assign some pins depending on the microcontroller you are using. After you have done that, that's it. Something else to do is to go on the point ini file to change the configuration used for the board you are using. And also I have another thing that is the partition. Make sure that the MCU you are using is a 4 megabytes at least, because this code is running on a 4 megabyte chip, ESP chip. And another thing is, before uploading the code using this button here, you need first to you go platform IO. It's an extension you need to add on VS Code. You go build system image and then upload system image. Basically, the system image is like all the web pages I'm using, like everything. It's that in this folder, data, the images, and everything. So all the web pages are here. The icon, image are here. You need to first upload it into the system before sending this code. Otherwise, when you will go in AP mode, you won't have any web page showing up. So I think that's it. This was a nightmare.